follow the leader. That's what many Microvision minions seem to be thinking after it announced that its executive leadership team and US-based board members have collectively committed to purchase $310,000 worth of company stock. Under subscription agreements signed on March 15, 2026, the participating directors and executives will acquire shares at 53.22 cents per share, matching the company's most recent closing price on the NASDAQ at the time the agreements were signed. Because of regulatory considerations, the transactions were structured as direct purchases from the company rather than open market trades, allowing the proceeds to go directly to Microvision. The shares will also be restricted, meaning the insiders must hold them until they are no longer company affiliates. CEO Glenn DeVos said the purchases reflect strong alignment between leadership and shareholders as the company executes its strategy to reshape the LiDAR industry. He noted that the board and management team are encouraged by growing commercial momentum and remain focused on delivering long-term value through the development of next-generation perception solutions. Board Chair Robert Carlyle echoed that sentiment, saying the board has strong confidence in the leadership team's ability to execute the company's transformative strategy. He emphasized that the insider investment demonstrates that both the board and executives are personally committed to the company's long-term success. Microvision develops LiDAR-based perception systems used across automotive, industrial, security, and defense applications. It operates engineering centers in both the United States and Germany and provides both short-range and long-range LiDAR designed to enable advanced sensing, object detection, and autonomous capabilities. To enhance perception of the market's use, TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.